Good morning, class 7, subject maths, exercise 17b, chapter 17, chapter name constructions. Students, now we will discuss exercise 17b, question number 4. Construct a triangle ABC in which AB is equal to AC is equal to 4.8 centimeter and BC is equal to 5.3 centimeter. Measure angle B and C. Draw AD perpendicular on BC. So students, we have to take what BC is equal to 5.3 centimeter. So let's see here. I have taken BC is equal to 5.3 centimeter. Okay students, now I have to make a triangle ABC in which AB is equal to AC 4.8 centimeter. So I have measured it already 4.8 centimeter. Let's see, it is 4.8 centimeter. Okay students, so from C I will cut an arc here, and again from B also I will cut the arc, and where both are cut there is a point A. After that students, we join A and B. And then after we join A and C. Okay students, now what say, measure angle B and C and draw AD perpendicular on BC. Okay students, सो फॉर ड्राइंग AD परपेंडिकुलर BC वी हैव टू रोटेट आवर नोटबुक. स्टूडेंट्स, हमको पता है कि ये एंगल B और C इक्वल होगा क्योंकि ये आइसोस्केल ट्रायंगल है. मेजर साइड का दिया हुआ है AB इज इक्वल टू AC इज इक्वल टू 4.8 सेंटीमीटर. हम मेजर इसको बाद में करेंगे और पहले यहाँ पे हम AD परपेंडिकुलर BC ड्रॉ कर रहे हैं. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, सो वी ड्रॉ आर्क लाइक दिस. नाउ आफ्टर दैट now students, we join this. Now students, this is AD perpendicular on BC. We have to measure it through the compass. So let's see, it is exact 90 degree and perpendicular on BC. Now we have to give the name here D. Here is a point D. Now students, we measure angle B and angle C. It is approx 56 degree, and now we again measure this same angle, same, this is also 55 degree both. This is 55, exact 55 ये होगा. Okay students, this both angle is of 55 degree. Now students, we will discuss next question, question number 5. Students, now we will discuss next question number 5. Construct a triangle ABC in which AB is equal to 3.8 centimeter, angle A is equal to 60 degree and AC is equal to 5 centimeter. So students, I have drawn AB is equal to 3.8 centimeter here. Let's see, it is 3.8 centimeter. Okay students, now we have to draw angle A is equal to 60 degree. So I will draw here. Now this is angle A is equal to 60 degree. Then students, AC is equal to 5 centimeter. So I measure here. This is 5 centimeter AC. Now this is point C and we have to join here with B. Okay students, so this is point C here. ABC triangle is formed here. Okay students, and in your own way you have to write the step of construction. जैसे draw a line AB 3.8 centimeter, make an angle of 60 degree at point A and on the join draw this line and cut an arc of 5 centimeter with here point C and join with C to B. Like this you have to write in your own word. आपको अपने वर्ड्स में जैसे जैसे कर रहे हो आपको अपने वर्ड्स में ही लिखना है इसको. Okay students, now we will see next question number 6. Students, now we will see question number 6. Construct a triangle ABC in which BC is equal to 4.3 centimeter, angle C is equal to 45 degree and AC is equal to 6 centimeter. So students, here I have drawn a line segment. BC is equal to 4.3 centimeter. Let's see, it is 4.3. Now we have to make an angle of 45 degree at point C. Then I will make an angle of 45 degree here. This is 60 degree and 45 will be in between 30 and 60. So here I will draw just as a imaginary line for 30 डिग्री. इसको हम ज्वाइन ऐसे ही बस यहाँ पे पॉइंट करने के लिए करेंगे स्टूडेंट्स, ताकि हमको पता चले कि 30 कहाँ पे है. 30 और 60 के बीच में 45 मिलेगा. सो इट विल बी हियर. देन I will cut here and then after I have to join this point C. So this is an angle of 45 degree. Okay students, now this angle is of 45 degree and then what is given, AC is equal to 6 centimeters. So C is here. On this arc there will be point A at a distance of 6 centimeters. So we measure an arc of 6 centimeters from here. Let's see, in front of you I will measure. This is 6 centimeter and from point C I will cut here. This is point A. Here it is. Okay students, now I have to join with this. Okay students, thus here triangle ABC get formed. Okay students, तो हमने यहाँ तक अभी क्वेश्चन नंबर 6 तक कर लिया है और आपको स्टेप्स अपने ओन वर्ड्स में लिखने हैं. नाउ स्टूडेंट्स, वी विल सी नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 7. सो लेट्स सी स्टूडेंट्स, नाउ वी विल डिस्कस नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 7. Exercise 17B. Construct a triangle ABC in which AB is equal to AC is equal to 5.2 centimeter and angle A is equal to 120 degree. Draw AD perpendicular BC. So students, same as here I have to draw an angle of 120 degree at point A. So let's see. This is 60. This is 120 degree. Now I have to join this. Now students, AC is equal to also 5.2 centimeter. So students, from here I will measure AB with compass only. because it is also 5.2 centimeter, and then I will cut it here, and now there is a point C, and then students I have to join A, C and B. So this we have to erase this. Students, here is a BC, and now I have measured it ऑलरेडी. आर्क इसके जो ये आर्क है इस विड्थ का, इसका हाफ से बड़ा लेना है, तो ये हाफ से ज़्यादा यहाँ पे हो गया. अब हम इस आर्क को ऐसे कट करेंगे यहाँ पे, और फिर यहाँ से भी एक कट करेंगे, और ये इसको हम ज्वाइन कर देंगे A to D. This is AD, A, and this is D, perpendicular on BC. Now I will measure this to show you. So students, let's see this. यहाँ पे लाइन थोड़ी मोटी हो गई है, बाकी प्रोसीजर पूरा वही रहेगा. Okay students, this is 90 degree AD perpendicular on BC. Now students, we will see other questions in the next video. Okay students, thank you.